Hey everyone, need your Google Authenticator setup key but don't know where to find it? Here is a quick step-by-step guide to get it fast. Step 1. Go to your account security settings, open your browser and log in to the account where Google Authenticator is set up. Like Gmail, I'm using my Gmail and I came straight from there. And then you can also use Facebook or Coinbase. Go to security settings or two-step verification section. Step 2, find authenticator settings. Look for option that says authenticator app or set up again on a new device. Click it and it will show you this screen. So we'll click on this setup authenticator. And as you can see, here is the QR code. So it says can scan. So you can just, if you can scan it through, then just click on this and it will show you all the process. In the Google Authenticator app, tap the plus, then tap enter a setup key. Enter your email address and this key. Spaces don't matter. Make sure time-based is selected. Tap add to finish. And that's it. You have found your setup key safely and quickly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you so much for watching.